Hey everybody, welcome back from my sabbatical here. I've had a lot of things going on, including hitting 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very grateful for hitting that landmark and moving on. What I want to tell you about today in this quick video is some of the things that I'm working on, and in particular, I'm working on the final global circuit in the Cataclysm. I am working on the positive charge, which happens to be South America, and it's a bit of a challenge to really explain to people the pre-cataclysm orientation of the crust, because South America is so far out of position where it began. When the cataclysm began, South America was basically generally straight under what we now call the Aleutian Islands, and so its movement occurred because of, well, the formation of the Polynesian Triangle, which was a delta Y formation in the now Pacific that stored in an electromagnetic field the excess charge of the cataclysm. And I'm doing this video because I want to explain something about that, and I want to do it outside of that video series because it's so incredible that I need to talk about just the three corners of the delta Y that formed. What's interesting is that in the north, you have the Aleutian Island voltage, and not only just the voltage, but if you follow the chain of islands down, you can see the electrical current connections that were created into the delta Y. And in particular, this connection to the delta Y was the regulation of the voltage within the circuit. If you follow this then to the charge, because voltage is connected to charge, if you follow this to the charge, which began directly south, the charge itself is what we now call the main northern portion of South America. And the charge connects via these seamounts, which were the electrical connection to the global neutral point, and provided the connection of the charge into the delta Y Polynesian Triangle. Now, what's absolutely fascinating, and in my conversations with Sean at the Fractal Earth channel, is that when you look then at Australia on the west coast, there's actually a beautiful triangular delta that forms what we call the New Zealand, Australia, and Indonesian, arc, if you will. And that triangle is the connection of the Memristor. The Memristor is what makes the whole circuit alternating current. And you have to have an alternating current in order to form and utilize a delta Y transformer. So the Memristors, as we're going to see, are going to be a huge part of explaining the circuit. But I want to explain that Polynesian Triangle's three connections first, because if you understand the three sides that are going on, when I explain the positive charge, you'll understand why the positive charge is not just South America, but it's also its relation to the negative charge, which was the Hudson Bay. I hope everybody's having a great summer. I'm going to begin putting out videos again. Look for some more videos, look for some more content, look for some more beard, maybe some more hair. Peace out.